Tour. It has been a historic tour because in decades, no other Prime Minister of India has visited these countries. In 28 years, none of the Indian Prime Minister had visited Sri Lanka. Similarly, none of them had visited Seychelles or Mauritius. But today, when Indian Prime Minister visits these countries, definitely a golden chapter of relationship between these countries and India has begun.
Important because Indian Ocean is a strategic area and their location is such that global traffic, cargo traffic and trade and everything passes through this, and for whatever reasons Indian leaders have not found time so far to pay special attention to these three countries. And so the last time any Indian Prime Minister went to Seychelles was Indira Gandhi in 1981. The last time an Indian Prime Minister paid a formal bilateral visit to Sri Lanka was Rajiv Gandhi in 1987. So, there was a sense of being neglected by India. So I'm very happy that the Prime Minister went and
Well, the Prime Minister does go and visit countries, but the moot point is, what is the takeaway from the visit? Did the Prime Minister raise the question of Indian fishermen and the Sri Lankan threat strongly and aggressively? If he did so, it does not find reflection anywhere in the media space. So rather than being namby-pamby and trying to make polite platitudes, it is very imperative that India must appear as a strong nation.